Hey Trace, how are you all doing? I apologize for not going on. I'm just watching MYSZ now. MYSZ. There is press out today that was talking about presenting at NRF 2018 in New York between the 14th to the 18th. Is that okay? So the meeting with leading retailers, interesting. All right, so I sort of missed the entry there. I mean, you could play 240 as a potential entry. Maybe tested it. It's sort of been doing like a staircase style routine here, which is interesting. It sort of fell away and then it's doing it again. So it's definitely testing it. I'm probably gonna just gonna order ready. This isn't a dip buy though, so I'm inclined not to really trade this because I've discussed the dip buy. So I think I'm just gonna watch this. I'm gonna keep it real. Yeah, I mean, really an entry at 240. It would have been triggered. So I think it's a 20-day moving average as well. It's interesting. The market seems to be a little bit sheepish tonight as well. To be fair, like the blockchain type stocks haven't been too crazy, and it's up 12% as well. So there could be some potential with this one, but there was no real dip buy here at all. So I've sort of disregarded this one for that, and definitely a potential breakout. But I'm just sticking with the one sort of method right now. SPI sideways. It's pretty dull sort of market currently. There's not really much on. IZEA, I watched Jim's latest video lesson. Pre-market sell this one solid. And just with his thesis of, the press release that they put out and everything, it seems that, and his viewership he gets, a lot of people who are investors in this company should be very concerned with their drop in business, and it's just they're hiding the fundamental issues with the company with that hype about IZEA crypto. I don't know if that's an ICO or something though. Flawed, very flawed sort of PR, and very shady. RCON is still sort of going as well, so we've got RCON as well. We go to news again. It's not a dip buy, so right here is sort of the decision time. A little bit of resistance in the what's pretty much there at 325. I feel like I need to sneeze, but I won't. Is there news on this? What was the news on this? I think there was. Oh, I've missed it. Again, I'm just putting this out there. I've reiterated that I'm doing the dip buys, so to me this could be a runner. It's sort of got, there we go. It's the announcement to develop a blockchain-based mobile shopping system. Oh wow, they had it out at 925. Interesting. Look, there's definitely potential there. I mean, if you use the close of that candle, which was 335, 335 probably would have been the entry, and now it's just sort of chugging along. Maybe we'll see if this has a strong wick, and if the candle closes near the open, that's not really a good sign, but it looks pretty bullish still. Check on Twitter. Good shout out my buddy from Perth, up north right now though. RCON, he actually let me know about this one. I do have it in the scanners. This is probably the trade here really. But again, look, I'm just looking to refine one trading sort of system first. And as I'm talking about this already, so I can understand and see what's going on. So that's semi-pleasing. Definitely I would have got out by now. I mean, an entry at 335. Even 20 cents for me is a lot, so definitely this was the move. So I just want to show you how quickly things happen, though. You know, I was talking about it. So you've got to be very vigilant of that. And that's something I'm still getting my head around, because I'm coming from a Forex type background where I do more longer term positions. Alright, anyway, so SPI, I'm going to close that down. Sorry about the poor connection as well, MYSZ. Sometimes it runs well in the evening, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes when it rains, it slows things down, so. Oof. And MYSZ is still, that wasn't as good though. This is good because you can see where it failed there, and then you've got RCON, which, you know, that was a significant move. If you got in at 335, I probably wouldn't. I probably would have gone like 338 or so, just with the spread. And then that candle there got to 358, and then there. And now we'll see. We'll see with this one. So it's good to differentiate between MYSZ and then RCON. Okay. I forgot my phone. If you don't follow me already, it's Scotty's Trading on Instagram as well. I do quite a lot of stories, and I haven't been able to do that, unfortunately. But yeah, look, that was the trade there. Alright, and RCON, that would have been the trade there. So if you really, you know, you got in out at 380 maybe, so in at like 340, out at 380, 40 cents a share. So that would have been the trade, really, guys. I'm going to wrap it up. Nothing else really going on. Those two I'm going to disregard due to low volume. And that's pretty much it. I like at least 300,000. So RCON, SPI, PSSS, not interested in that. None of that's really NCTY. We already discussed that. Did we? I'm not sure. Oh no, we did. And that was flat as well. And as you can see, it's coming back down. So I mean, that was literally, you know, what was that? 3 minutes, not even. So you've, with the day trading, you've got to be quick, and that was good. How I got to see that. It wasn't really, you know, I did buy that, so that's something you know, I'd like to see it come back down a little bit. Yeah, that's sideways. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. No trades tonight. No dip buys sort of took place, but that wasn't a bad little, I guess you'd call that a breakout, but it wasn't fantastic. But it is already up quite a lot already. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.